Ever struggled to open a bottle of wine? Today I'm testing the best and worst ways to uncork a bottle, so you never ruin a cork again. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm breaking down how to properly open a bottle of wine. From classic corkscrews to viral wine opening hacks. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right wine open. Waiter's corkscrew. This is the preferred tool of sommeliers. Winged corkscrew. It's easy for beginners but can sometimes break the cork. Electric wine. Opener, quick, efficient, and great for parties. So opener, best for older wines with delicate corks. Saber Method, advanced. A dramatic way to open sparkling wine. Step 2. Cutting the foil. Properly always cut below the lip. This prevents contact between wine and metal. Use a foil cutter or small knife. A clean cut ensures a smooth pour. Peel away. Excess foil. Keeps the bottle looking elegant and clean. Step 3. The right way. To use a corkscrew position. The screw at a slight angle helps find the cork's center. Twist down firmly. Avoid going all the way through the cork. Use the lever to lift slowly. A gentle pull prevents breaking. Remove any cork residue. Ensures a clean pour. Step 4. Common mistakes to avoid: twisting the bottle instead of the corkscrew makes opening harder. Pulling too hard, too fast increases the chance of cork breakage. Not checking for cork debris prevents floating cork pieces in your wine. Step 5. Pouring wine like a pro. Tilt the bottle at a 45-degree angle. Ensures smooth pouring. Never overfill. Stop at the widest part of the glass. Give the bottle a gentle twist at the end. Prevents drips. Now you know how to open a wine bottle like a pro. What's your favorite type of wine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to master more drink techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert tips on wine, cocktails, and more.